Trust, a bedrock on which great milestones are achieved. Faith, a priceless feeling that strengthens and deepens our bonds. Belief, a deeply valued emotion that lies at the root of our success. Over the 2 decades of our existence, we have always stayed true to our words and been successful in creating a legacy of trust. Jaydeep Group, enriching lives built on values. In the rapidly evolving sphere of real estate in the Mumbai metropolitan region, Jaydeep Group has built a legacy of success by constructing thoughtful spaces that embody our values and exemplify our expertise. Jaydeep Group proudly spearheads an array of opulent projects and raises the vibrant cityscape of Mumbai with its exquisite presence. The journey that began with humble steps in 1999 has now seen us create more than 20 lakh square feet of completed projects across residential, commercial, IT parks, warehouse, redevelopment, and SRA developments. We have a further 15 lakh square feet of ongoing developments spread over the MMR, with projects across commercial, residential, and warehouse sectors. In addition, we also have 10 lakh square feet of upcoming developments slated to be launched in the upcoming years. With every project, our endeavor has been to raise the bar in terms of excellence and innovation. As we look towards the future, we strive to consistently stay true to our values of transparency, commitment, integrity, and customer satisfaction. Fueling our progress and driving unwavering brilliance, our visionary leaders have put every foot right and created a legacy of inspiration. They have ensured that the organization is driven by ethical business practices coupled with precise financial discipline. Our leaders have also fostered an environment where strong customer relations can prosper and quality landmarks can be delivered. Validating our efforts to create a better tomorrow for our customers, we have received numerous prestigious awards in our journey so far. Our vast range of completed masterpieces reflect our commitment to thoughtful planning and exceptional execution. Prathmesh Heights, Patidar Complex, Sai Vihar, Prathmesh View, Prathmesh Vaibhav, Prathmesh Hills, Prathmesh View Residency, Jaydeep Emphasis, Prathmesh Tower, Prathmesh Pearl, Bharat Height, Prathmesh Darshan, Anutham, Celestia, Crest, Gami Jaydeep Alenza. We have a wide assortment of ongoing developments which will further solidify our presence as a real estate firm that redefines excellence. Jaydeep Icon, Jaydeep Mark, Jaydeep One, Gami Jaydeep Estella, La Residency, Ventura Commercial Hub, Gami Jaydeep Ellora, Skyrise, Jaydeep and Gami Ivara. Upcoming developments: Mulund West, opposite railway station. Jogeshwari, Bhiwandi. Marching forward with positivity and passion, we aim to make sure that Jaydeep Group always lives up to customer expectations and fosters a legacy of happiness. Jaydeep Group, enriching lives built on values.